Want to grow jasmine from cuttings? Let's do it in water. No soil needed. Step 1. Taking cuttings. Select a healthy, disease-free stem from last year's growth. The cuttings from this year's growth is too soft. They will rot in water and will not root. Cut a stem from last year's growth. This will be neither too soft or too hard, perfect for rooting. Step 2. Preparing the cutting. Cut stem into about 4 to 6 inches long cuttings. Cut just below a leaf node, as that's where roots will grow. This the node, a leaf joint. Remove the lower leaves. You may leave 2-3 leaves at the top to help photosynthesis. Note that it is not essential to have leaves at the top. Step 3. Placing in water. Take a small jar and put some clean water in it. Take an aloe vera leaf and rub its gel on the cuttings ends. Place cuttings in water. Make sure to keep at least one node submerged in water, where new roots will grow. The aloe vera is a natural rooting hormone that will speed up rooting. Step 4. Care for cuttings. Keep the glass in bright, indirect sunlight. Change the water every 3 to 4 days to keep it fresh and prevent algae. There is no need to put aloe veras anymore. Step 5. Root development. After 2 to 4 weeks, small white roots will begin to emerge. Once the roots are about 2 inches long, your jasmine is ready to be planted in soil. Step 6. Transplant to soil. Take a pot having drainage holes and fill it with well-draining rich soil. Prepare soil by mixing some cow manure or compost and river sand in potting mix. The sand makes the soil free draining, while the compost adds nutrition. Transfer the rooted cuttings in soil. Keep the plant moist until it establishes itself. Growing jasmine from cuttings in water is simple and fun. Try it at home and enjoy the heavenly fragrance of Chameli flowers. If you found this video helpful, please like, share, and subscribe for more gardening tips. Don't forget to comment below if you have tried propagating jasmine or any plant.